Okay, so National Geographic from the library, so I can have something to read on my flight. And you gotta clean your seat, guys. These seats are always so gross. Like I always carry some type of alcohol wipes, bleach wipes, or something. So if you're new to my channel, I live in Sacramento, California. Today we are taking a trip to the Caribbean side. You all will hear talking, you will hear music, and you also will hear probably some silence. Okay, but if you're interested, come go with me to the Caribbean side. I would love for you to come along with me. So I caught a red eye. And at this point, I'm going to be quiet and just let you all view some of the scenery and the flights and, flying over the water and all that good stuff. Well, welcome, guys.
Woo, we made it. On behalf of this flight crew and Southwest Airlines, welcome to Montego Bay. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, seat back and tray table in a full upright lock position, and all those carry items complete on your seat in front of you. When the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign,
Okay, so at the airport outside, they have a tasty patty. So I grabbed something real quick because I was starving. I needed this, and it's so good. And every time when I come to Jamaica, I need to get a patty and a red stripe, that lemon one. So now we are headed off to our resort, and I'm just gonna let the music play while you guys just see some of the greenery on our way to the resort. Of course, at nearly every resort, you check in, they give you these cold towels. Oh, because it's so hot and you just need to cool off, just to wipe your face off. I had on a jacket, of course, because I had just got off a flight, and on flights, it is always cold. So when you get here is when you have to change. They also offer you cold water. You can get a rum punch or just whatever they have to offer. And I end up drinking. Okay, guys, so I have made it to my room. I'm gonna give you guys a room tour. I got my little key fob to get in the room, or wrist fob, whatever you want to call it. The first thing I had the man do is climb the tree and get me a coconut. I just gotta find my straw. It's fresh, and I'm so ready for this. Okay, so when you walk in the room, right when you come through the door, the closet, which has a safe. Let's do the bathroom first. Bathroom was very spacious. I personally liked this restroom, ladies. If you need a mirror, it was perfect for your makeup. And yeah, I like the shower. I can sit down. I like the poles. Like, this is It was great. Spacious for sure. This is the bathroom. Has a door there. Let me show you guys the front door. This I don't like. You can see through the door. You see that? And it's on both sides. I'm like, no, I'm gonna call them. Either see if they can move me or do something about that. I don't want nobody being able to see through my door. Okay, so there's a little mirror here. It's a long mirror. Okay, and it's just the bar area really. There's ice tray outside your door. You can go refill it. As you drink, they replenish daily. So yeah, red stripe, soda pops, and water. And then you get to sit outside. There's the shuttles that go by. They come to pick you up. You call them because this resort is huge, like, you know, many others. And it's right here. So this is the little outside area, guys. Okay, so this is the outside. It's kind of close. I did not want to get bit by these mosquitoes because I don't have one any spray. But anyway, this is the outside. I'm on the first floor. And then there's like the dining hall that's over there. Then you guys can see just the other little area where people are walking around. It's quiet and it's very nice. Let's go back over this way. You see there's the beach over there. Definitely gonna go over there. So beautiful. Okay, so one last look. Just want to say the room definitely is decent. The money is worth it. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean up. We're gonna get some lice, some alcohol going. I buy these baby wipes and I took alcohol 70% and poured a lot of it in here, and I also have Lysol. So I'm gonna start some wipe downs because yeah, just we gotta make sure that it's good. So I'll see y'all. Got my Lysol, the little mini one. There was already pee on the toilet, so I alcohol that down. I'm gonna spray that. Okay, remember I put a lot of alcohol in these, which are baby wipes. It's cheaper to do it that way. You get a ton of them, add a bunch of alcohol. Here's my Lysol. Y'all, I cleaned so much, but this is some of the dirt I got from some of the surfaces. This is not a joke. This was in here. So always, always, always clean everything first. I always do it. I can't even get comfortable. And this is why. Yeah, so I don't play about cleaning. And let me show you guys what I clean. I clean the phone handles. I clean the remote. I clean any handle. I clean any fan. I clean any whatever it is. I make sure that the air conditioner, I clean it all. Yeah. Gross, right? Okay, so they just knocked on the door. I'm like, who is that? Because I was not expecting anybody, but it's complimentary fruit on the house. We got papaya, cantaloupe, watermelon, honeydew, and a grapefruit and a pineapple maybe? Yeah, definitely want the papaya and the grapefruit. So once the thunder and lightning stopped, I took a shuttle over to get some dinner. I did not record that part. Eventually, perhaps I will. But anyway, just as I got off the shuttle and was walking through, it's very beautiful. I love to see some of the water, just the design. It was nice. I love these beautiful, real flower arrangement. But anyway, you guys will get to see as I kind of just show you guys just a little small snippet of other little areas. And then after dinner, I took the shuttle back because it's very far from the room where I was staying in. And then we head off, and I said, you know what, let me take a shower, get that flight smell off of me, put on my new pajamas I picked up from Lane Bryant. I did my toes, y'all, with Dashing Diva, $4.99 a pack. Can't nobody tell me nothing, and they last for months. Of course, I wouldn't leave them on that long. So it was, of course, late at night. I said, let me lock up the door, pull out this new Kennedy Ryan book that I'm super excited to read. Yeah,